Toefl day-wise practice classes 3rd, 4th and 5th. Day 4, Friday, August 11th, 2023. Topic is places. School, hospital, library, bookstore, pharmacy, police station, church, mosque, bank, shopping mall, grocery, fashion shop, supermarket, toy store, florist, bakery. Castle, street, garage, fire station, bus stop, park, zoo, museum, restaurant. Preposition of place. Preposition at the office, at the station, at the top, at the front, at the side, at the corner, at the end of the road, at the bottom, at the front, at the back, at a party. In preposition, in prison, in the cinema, in a line, in a queue, in a row, in the city center, in the bag, in a box, in my pocket, in my wallet, in the sea or river. Next, on preposition, on the internet, on the ground, on the left, on the right, on an elephant, on the floor, on the label, on a list, on his face, on her nose, on a toast. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching this video.